Hi students, today on the NMCZ Ready platform, we're going to look at the nursing care plan, specifically in pediatrics. We are going to type prematurity, and when you type prematurity, you tap generate. When the nursing care plan is ready, you can find it under your saved academic library. With the method that I'm going to show you, you are no longer going to get confused on how to go about with nursing care plans. So our nursing care plan is ready, and in this particular section we have got 6 problems in total. The examiner will ask you for 5, but you have 6 on the platform. In case you forget one, you still remain with 5. So our first problem is ineffective thermoregulation, which is right here. So ineffective thermoregulation related to immature body temperature control and lack of subcutaneous fat as evidenced by temperature fluctuations and cool skin. This is our nursing diagnosis. Our goal, which should be smart, reads: the neonate will maintain a stable axillary temperature between 36.5 and 37.5 degrees Celsius within 4 hours of care. Then our first intervention is I will place the neonate in a pre-warmed radiant warmer or incubator in order to provide a neutral thermal environment for the baby. The next intervention is that I will monitor the neonate's axillary temperature every 4 hours in order to detect early signs of hypothermia and hyperthermia. The next is that I will keep the neonate's head covered with a cape in order to reduce heat loss through radiation and convection. And then we have I will warm all blankets and medical equipment before they touch the infant in order to prevent heat loss through conduction. Then lastly, I will cluster nursing care activities in order to minimize the time the incubator doors are opened. Now that we're done with all our interventions, our evaluation reads: the neonate maintained a stable axillary temperature between 36.5 and 37.5 degrees Celsius throughout 4-hour period. The goal was achieved. And the same goes for other problems such as ineffective breathing pattern, impaired feeding pattern, interrupted family processes related to the birth of a premature infant. Other problems include the risk problems, which are risk for infection and a risk for impaired skin integrity. So if you want more, you can simply access this nursing care plan on the NMCZ Ready app. Just open your browser. When you do, search for NMCZ Ready on Google, open the app and go to the advanced tools. Inside there, you can select the nursing care plan generator, and when you're logged into the platform, you are simply going to proceed with your selection of courses, and you can type whatever nursing care plan you wish to generate.